Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone supports fingerprint unlocking and that the app has permission to use biometrics. Once done, charge the device above 20% and clean your finger. Dry, oil-free skin registers best. Open the app and tap Add Fingerprint. The app will ask for backup PIN or pattern. Enter that now, because without it you cannot proceed. This first step prepares both hardware and software so scans will be accurate and enrollment will complete smoothly. Now perform the detailed scans. Place your finger flat on the sensor and follow prompts to capture different angles and edges. Apply gentle, consistent pressure, firm but not forceful, then lift and reposition between each prompt so the app records borders and center. If the app requests more scans, keep varying tilt and contact points. The goal is a complete template covering 10 to 15 partial reads. Once the progress bar fills, the app will confirm a successful enrollment and show the fingerprint name field. To finish, give the fingerprint a clear name, enable the locks you want, app lock, screen unlock, or secure folders, and immediately test unlocking 3 times. If recognition fails, re-register the same finger with slightly different angles or choose an alternate finger. Sensors vary by model. If the app throws errors, clear the app cache, check biometric permission settings, or reboot the phone. These troubleshooting steps resolve most issues and ensure reliable unlock performance going forward.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.